Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys LinkedIn tricks to get hired without applying. Must try for 2025 iPhone users. First, engage with recruiters and companies. Comment thoughtfully on posts from target companies and connect with recruiters. Visibility matters more than application. Next, showcase your work. Add projects, portfolios, and certifications to your profile's featured section so hiring managers see your skills instantly. Next, turn on open work recruiters on and select preferred roles. LinkedIn will push your profile to recruiters without applying. Privacy tip: only connect with trusted recruiters and companies to avoid scams. Quick fix: if you're not getting noticed, post original content or insights regularly to boost up profile visibility. Update your skills and endorsement for better search ranking. And that's it. Subscribe